President Uhuru Kenyatta and ODM leader Raila Odinga have, for the first time, opened up about the secret moments and meeting that led to the now famous handshake. In a rather hilarious revelation, President Kenyatta described in detail how the long and tense first meeting between him and Odinga went down. Edmund Nyabola recounts how much tea the two leaders gulped to get into the mood.
In the wake of the 2017 elections, the country found itself on the edge of precipice.
I, Uhuru Kenyatta.
President Kenyatta had taken oath of office for a second term. And so had Odinga as the people's president in a mock ceremony. The opposing sides antagonized at every turn, with drums of war beating all across the country. Every pair of eyes was trained on Kenyatta and Odinga. And so the two were obliged to the voice of reason. After a tumultuous period with tension in the country rising, the two men at the heart of the tug of war came face to face. Needless to say, the tension in the country carried on into the meeting room.
Hiyo hofu mulikuwa naye, hata sisi tulikuwa naye pia. Huyu mtu tukikutana naye tutaambiana nini? Na kwa ukweli wakati tulikutana, tulikunywa chai karibu dakika 45, kuna mtu anaongea, tunakunywa tu chai. Habari ya nyumbani sawa. Habari ya mama ako tu. Habari ya watoto wanasoma, wanaendelea. Hakuna maneno mengine inaweza kutoka kwa sababu ya hasira ya yale ambayo tulikuwa tumerushania huko mbele.
And so they navigated through the tense small talk.
It took 19 hours, and it was not easy, as the president will explain to you later, when we began, because we had called each other all sorts of names. And eventually, after all that long deliberations, we agreed that we now have something that we can actually put together.
And so was birthed the famous handshake and subsequently the Building Bridges initiative.
You are going to steer this process.
The president, seemingly in a good mood and casually dressed in contrast to the somber suits around him, enjoyed every minute of the Bomas event.
Thank you.
For every joke made, a hearty laugh, and every jibe thrown, the head of state took it with a light touch.
Shida ambayo iko kwa serikali ya Jubilee hiyo watatatua kando yao. Sisi tuko ndani. Hiyo ni yao hiyo.
A look back at the times and what has become of the March 9th, 2018 truce, worthy of another handshake and a brotherly embrace for the newly forged alliance. Edmund Nyabola, NTV.